A heart of gold, pure soul, only Allah knows. Don't judge them by what you see with your eyes, cause you don't know what's inside. Don't know what's inside.
रिश्ता रब से बंदे का कैसा है तुम क्या जानो, महदूद नजर नाकिस फानी, इसकी बात तुम ना मानो, इसकी बात तुम ना मानो।
Yo, listen. Khadija's a Muslim and now she's 25. She's trying her best, trying to pray 5 times. She don't wear a scarf, but she prays Allah. Trying her best, trying to please Allah. She is a pious, but she's good at heart. Always smiling, very good character. But behind that smile, there's a pain inside. She was 6 years old when her dad died. 5 years on, her mom followed by. She's only known pain since and been crying, working late nights just to provide for her family and kids so they can all get by. No one sees that though, they just wanna judge her. Little do they know how much Allah really loves her, but they just call her names, always trying to bug her. What a shock when they found out the next day, in the month of Ramadan on a Friday, she was in sujood, that's when she passed away. Now they're wishing they were all in a place. We're so quick to judge, we forget our own case. We look down on some until the day they pass away. They end up in heaven, we regret what we say. They never judge a book by its cover, cause you never know who's the one who's loved by Allah. Brothers and sisters, don't ever give up, don't ever lose hope, just keep your chin up. It could be a drunkard who seems a sinner, but he did one good deed, now he's up in Jannah. Learn to live in peace, one ummah, one ummah, one ummah.
So many faces in this world, broken heart, stories left untold. We're quick to despise and ain't nobody realize behind the darkness there is light. Don't judge a book by its cover. 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 Don't judge no one, don't look down on anyone. We all belong to Him.
महदूद नजर नाकिस फानी, दिल का हाल ये क्या जाने, रिश्ता खालिक से बंदे का वो जाने या रब जाने।
Praise be to Allah. Yeah, see Bilal loved to cruise, buying brand names and the latest shoes. People called him show up, they said he wanted fame. Little did they know, he wanted to just change. When they weren't looking, he used to feed the poor. When he became richer, he was only giving more. See Bilal's life wasn't always smiles, just like every human, he had so many trials. So many nights, he barely got sleep. So many thoughts, his heart was hurt deep. When he was young, at the age of 9, his mother passed away, his father turned to crime. Poor little Bill, he really copped it. His father got locked up, so he had to get adopted. Didn't end there, that was where it started. He was verbally abused, always being called retarded. His new so-called family, they were really strange. They would lock him in a room and assault him in every way. When you hear men were assaulted, you think it's not true. So many young victims, yes, it happens to boys too. Bill had enough, decided to run away. A home is not a home if your dignity is stripped away. He lived on the streets, starving and alone. He worked where he can till he bought his first phone. Slowly and slowly, he had enough to rent a house. Before you know it, he found himself a spouse. He started as a child whose parents didn't care, and then became a righteous Muslim millionaire. Always make excuses for the mistakes of a brother. You don't know his story, so don't judge a book by its cover. By its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge no one, don't look down on anyone. We all belong to Him. Don't know what's inside.